A building surveyor in Mehrauli plays a crucial role in the construction and maintenance of buildings in this historic area of Delhi. Mehrauli is known for its rich architectural heritage, with numerous historical monuments and buildings that require regular inspections and assessments. A building surveyor is responsible for conducting thorough surveys and inspections of buildings to ensure their compliance with safety regulations and standards. They also provide expert advice and recommendations on building design, construction techniques, and maintenance practices. One of the primary responsibilities of a building surveyor in Mehrauli is to conduct building surveys. These surveys involve a comprehensive inspection of the structure, including its foundation, walls, roof, electrical systems, plumbing, and other components. The surveyor assesses the condition of the building, identifies any defects or issues, and determines the appropriate course of action to rectify them. They also evaluate the structural integrity of the building to ensure it can withstand external forces such as earthquakes or storms. In addition to conducting surveys, a building surveyor in Mehrauli also plays a crucial role in the design process. They work closely with architects, engineers, and other professionals to ensure that the proposed designs meet all safety regulations and standards. The surveyor reviews the architectural plans, structural calculations, and construction drawings to identify any potential issues or areas of improvement. They provide valuable input and recommendations to optimize the design and ensure the building's long-term durability and safety. Mehrauli is a historically significant area with several heritage buildings that require special attention and preservation. A building surveyor in Mehrauli is well versed in the conservation and restoration techniques needed to protect these structures. They collaborate with heritage conservation experts and archaeologists to ensure that any renovations or repairs adhere to strict guidelines and do not compromise the historical integrity of the building. Their expertise in heritage conservation helps maintain the authenticity of Mehrauli's architectural heritage while ensuring its longevity. SCON Design is a renowned architectural firm based in Delhi that specializes in innovative and sustainable design solutions. Collaborating with a building surveyor in Mehrauli can greatly benefit clients seeking SCON Design services. The surveyor's expertise in building surveys and compliance ensures that SCON Design's designs meet all safety regulations and standards. They can identify any potential issues or challenges early on, allowing for efficient problem-solving and design optimization. The collaborative efforts between SCON Design and a building surveyor in Mehrauli result in high-quality architectural solutions that are both aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound. A building surveyor in Mehrauli plays a crucial role in the construction and development industry. They are responsible for inspecting and assessing buildings to ensure compliance with safety regulations and standards. As Mehrauli is an area in Delhi known for its rich historical heritage, it is important to have building surveyors who understand the significance of preserving and maintaining these structures. Building surveyors in Mehrauli are experts in evaluating the condition of buildings, both old and new.